Hi, Sarah. How have you been?
Hi, Alex. I've been good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well, but I've missed talking to you.
I've missed our conversations too. Why didn't you call?
I thought you were too busy. Were you?
I was, but I always have time for you. Did you feel neglected?
A little. I kept hoping to hear from you.
I'm really sorry, Alex. I didn't mean to make you feel that way.
It's okay. I just care about you a lot.
I care about you too. You mean a lot to me.
Really? Sometimes I wonder if you feel the same way.
I do, Alex. I've just been dealing with a lot lately.
Like what? You can talk to me about anything.
My family has been pressuring me about my future. It's been stressful.
I understand. What do they want?
They want me to follow a certain path that doesn't include you.
That sounds tough. Do they not like me?
It's not that. They just have different plans for me.
Plans like what?
They've arranged for me to meet someone else. They think he's a better match.
But what about us? What about our relationship?
I've thought about that a lot. It's hard for me too.
We can't just give up. We should fight for what we have.
I want to, but my parents are very traditional. They don't understand.
Have you tried talking to them about us?
I have, but they're not willing to listen.
That's so unfair. Don't your feelings matter to them?
They do, but they believe they know what's best for me.
This is so frustrating. I don't want to lose you.
I don't want to lose you either, Alex, but I'm torn.
We can't let them decide our future. We should be the ones to choose.
I know, but it's not that simple. Family means a lot to me.
I understand, but love should be about our happiness too.
It should be, but they've made up their minds.
We should try together. Maybe they'll understand if we both talk to them.
I'm afraid it's too late. They've already set things in motion.
I can't believe this. I love you, Sarah. We should be together.
I love you too, Alex. This is the hardest thing I've ever had to deal with.
Is there really no way we can make this work?
I wish there was, but my family is very firm about this.
I'll never stop loving you, Sarah. You're always in my heart.
And you'll always be in mine. I hope we find a way someday.
I'll hold on to that hope. We deserve to be happy together.
Yes, we do. But for now, we have to face reality.
I know. I'll never forget you, Sarah.
I'll never forget you either, Alex. You'll always be special to me.
Goodbye for now, Sarah. I wish you all the best.
Goodbye, Alex. Thank you for everything. You've made my life better.
And you've made mine better too. I'll always treasure our time together.
Me too. Goodbye, Alex. Take care.